God, I want you to make pastor daughter, Priscilla, to be my girlfriend.
Oh! You stupid. For the Bible says in the book of Matthew chapter 11 verse 12 that from the days of John the Baptist, the kingdom of God survived and violence taken it by force. Today, you will get the answers to your prayer.
I don't want peace. I want problems, always.
Good afternoon, Pastor.
Afternoon, Brother P.
Happy Sunday, sir.
You're wishing me happy Sunday, but I don't think you really want my Sunday to be happy. Sit.
Thank you, Pastor. Pastor, you sent for me.
Yes, I sent for you. Brother P, as a believer, there are some certain things you should not be doing. I have two things against you. The first one is how you treat the Holy Communion. Remember the beans you brought to supplement the Holy Communion bread last week?
Jesus!
And this Sunday, I was told you took 10 breads and lots of wine.
That's what I do for you.
Communion is a moment of reflecting on the death and suffering of Jesus Christ. But every Sunday, when I see you eat the communion, you're eating it with joy as if you're happy Jesus Christ died.
Pastor, I'm sorry. It's just that the communion bread is too small. So if it's not big like this, that is why we had to bring beans to support the communion to make it big. You understand?
Jesus!
So, but Pastor, I'm sorry. So I don't know if we can increase our hand in the making of the bread so that we will know that as we are eating the flesh of Jesus Christ, we eat it and be satisfied. So I was not satisfied. That was why I brought the beans.
Oh Jesus, have mercy.
Because the bread alone, you don't go anywhere at all. You know, gauge, Pastor.
Brother P, may God have mercy on you. Communion is a spiritual connection, not a 5-course meal. Brother P, the Bible says in the book of Luke chapter 22 verse 19, that do this in remembrance of me. Not to eat it in a way that you will regret dying for you. And as a matter of fact, the way you eat it like a street dog.
Pastor, I'm sorry.
Now, the second issue I have with you is the prayer point the Lord laid in my heart for the church to pray, to submit their prayer point, so that He can usher us into the new year, a year of abundance. But Brother P, I'm still finding it very difficult to understand the prayer points you submitted.
Pastor, it's the prayer point for my God to answer.
I'm glad you said your God, because I don't think it's the same God that I'm serving that you're serving. My God cannot answer such prayers, because He said the thought He has towards us is thought of good and not of evil, to grant us an expected end. Anyways, I have your prayer point here, and I think you have to read it to my hearing. Oh, read.
God, I greet our family. I'm still asking why you sent me to Nigeria instead of US.
Jesus is Lord!
But let's leave that matter. First, I don't like the fact that all my match enters but only one cuts.
Jesus!
God, this is New Year. May all my match enter so that I can rain dollars in the club, carry expensive Olo show, hire Kiss Daniel bouncer, and buy Donald Trump kind of house, marry one of Kardashians, and get 14 private jets.
He shock you!
God, please show me mercy. Make
And
this
how did you spell mercy there?
MESSI.
Well, I applaud your aspirations, Brother P. But focusing more on the spiritual blessings more than the physical ones, the earthly ones, I think will be more in line with our Lord's teachings.
But Pastor, the Bible says my Lord shall supply all my needs according to His riches in glory.
So His riches is Olosho.
But Pastor, what about Solomon in the Bible?
Brother P, God gave him wisdom, understanding, and riches.
Pastor, this story no clear. Concubines, na side chicks now. And side chicks no low show.
But Brother P, can you hear yourself? With the things you're saying, is it sensible? If you are God, will you answer such prayers? Will you even take a look at the paper, talk more of answering the prayers? Spray money in club. Not even give to charity. Carry a low show. Wow!
But Pastor, you didn't turn the backside though.
Oh, there is even backside.
Yes.
Read it, let me hear.
Okay, sir. God, I want you to make pastor daughter, Priscilla, to be my girlfriend.
Oh! You stupid. For the Bible says in the book of Matthew chapter 11 verse 12 that from the days of John the Baptist up till now, the kingdom of God survives and violent take it by force. Today, you will get the answers to your prayer. Idiot, you've not seen me today. Today, you get the answers to your prayer.
I hope you enjoy that funny video. Please subscribe. Thank you. We love you. Bye.